In this problem, we take a look at the main concept of using the addition rule, which is used when we have one trial and we are trying to find the probability of event A occurring or event B occurring. Let's take a look at this example. Use the data in the following table, which lists drive-through order accuracy at popular fast food chains. Assume that orders are randomly selected from those included in the table. So we're given the sample here. We're given drive-through restaurants labeled A, B, C, D, and we're given the number of orders that are accurate and the number of orders that are not accurate. So now it's telling us if one order is selected, find the probability of getting an order that is not accurate or is from restaurant C. Are the events of selecting an order that is not accurate and selecting an order from restaurant C disjoint events? Okay, so first thing we need to do is we have to figure out how many orders are there all together. So let's add up all of the orders. So I have 314 plus 33 plus 278 plus 60 plus 241 plus 30 plus 143 plus 13. So there's a total of 1,112 orders. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's write that down real quick. So we have 1,112 orders. This is going to go in the denominator. Now we have to find out how many orders are not accurate or from restaurant C. So let's add up the number of orders that are not accurate. So I have 33 plus 60 plus 30 plus 13. And now we're going to count the number of orders from restaurant C. So from restaurant C, there is 241 orders that are accurate, and then 30 of them that were not accurate. Well, this 30, we already counted that for the number of orders that are not accurate. So we have to make sure that we don't count that again. We don't double count it. So I'm just going to add the 241. So I have 377. So now 377, this is the total number of orders that are not accurate or from restaurant C. So now to find the probability, I'm going to go ahead and divide these two. So 377 divided by 1,112. This gives me, says to round to 3 decimal places. So I have 0.339. This would be the probability of getting an order that's not accurate or from restaurant C. So I have 0.339. Now it's asking us if these two events are disjoint. Well, these events, these are not disjoint because it is possible for you to get an order that is not accurate and also from restaurant C. So that one order could be both. So because it is possible to receive an inaccurate order from restaurant C.